To my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can withdraw your Haven1 airdrop. But first of all, let's head over to the wallet to make sure that everything is in order. So see this is Haven1. You click on it. You can see they are asking us to link withdrawal address. So let's go back to the announcement so that we can follow the instructions. So you can see the deadline for the submission. Submit your Haven1 testnet address on Satoshi App. To be eligible, it's mandatory to complete registration on this link. So copy this link, and let's head over to Play Store because we are going to make use of Kiwi browser. Now, this is Kiwi browser. For those of you that doesn't have Kiwi browser on your phone, simply search on this on the bar, and then you will see the Kiwi browser here. Open it. When you open the Kiwi browser, remember, for the first time, if you are using it for the first time, you need to install MetaMask extension in your Kiwi browser. So I'm going to show you the few things you need to do. So you click on the three dots here, you go down, you will see the MetaMask there. You can see I have already installed it in my extension. Or if you don't have it in your browser, all you just have to do is to Google search it here. You just have to search it, and then you will see how to install your Kiwi browser, your MetaMask in your Kiwi browser. So guys, that is all. So now we are going to paste the address, that link, the link address we copied from Satoshi App. We are going to paste. So we are going to paste it here. So make sure you copy the right address, and then we click next. So you can see we are logging in right now. You click next. Now this is not how your own is going to appear. Your own is going, if you have not registered before, you are going to do your registration. It's because I have done my registration, that's why I am on this page. So all I have to do now is to connect to wallet. I'll click on connect to wallet. Click on connect to wallet. That's all I have to do. So you can see it's going to the Kiwi extension. It's connecting direct to the Kiwi extension. So guys, you can see it's going to bring out this. All I just have to do is to put my password. Remember that we are meant to submit the same wallet address, the same testnet address, the one you use for your testnet, that you are going to submit that same wallet address in your Satoshi app. So I'm going to log in now. So guys, you can see I'm trying to log in. So you need to confirm this. You can see connect with MetaMask, confirm. You can see the two is connecting. So now I have done the connection. You can see I have done the connection. Now it's asking me to connect to MetaMask. You can see now this is the address that they are asking us to paste on Satoshi app. So you just have to copy this address from here, or you click on the wallet sign, you copy it from the upper side here, you copy from here, or you go to your extension. There are so many ways you can copy this address. You go to your MetaMask extension, open your MetaMask extension, open your MetaMask. So when you open your MetaMask, this is what you are going to see. So you can see that I have been mining this token. You can see I have 31.7 in my testnet. So you can either copy the wallet address from here. You can see also you can also copy the wallet address from here. So this is the same wallet address I use for registration. So you are going to make sure that the wallet address you are going to submit to Satoshi app is the one that you have registered with. So you just copy it from here, or you copy it from this other side. You click on the wallet here, you copy it from here, or you come down, you click on get testnet, you see receiving wallet address, you copy it from here. So you have so many ways you can copy it. So guys, let's head over to Satoshi app to So now we're on Satoshi app. We'll just quickly go to wallet. You click on Haven1, you click on link, and then you paste the address that you have copied here, and then you put your password. You have put in your password, you click on link withdraw address. You can see they're asking us to confirm, so you click on confirm. You can see they send you a verification code. You hurry up and paste it here. So guys, when you have put the code, you will receive this message: withdraw address link is successful. Then you close it. So you don't need to repeat it again because I've already done that. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe so that when next I post another video, you get a notification.